Hi everyone, my name is Eugenie Jia Xuan from UCSI University. Today, I'm going to talk about my research, which is green building implementation among construction players in Malaysia. At present, global issues have posed enormous difficulty to the sustainable development of human society. Hence, many organizations, government, and people all over the world have been implementing strategy to make the Earth a green living environment. As environmental, economic, and social sustainability are the three pillars of sustainable development, green building is the key strategy to enhance the sustainability of the construction industry. The implementation of green building in the Malaysian construction industry is still scarce. Although stakeholders are interested in green building concept, they may not be aware of the criteria for the characteristic of green buildings. As the implementation of green building brings many benefits, the lack of awareness of green building technology and their benefit is one of the obstacles to green building implementation. Since the Malaysian construction industry is having difficulty to implement green building, developers face multiple barriers when incorporating green building technology into their construction project. The significance of this study is to boost knowledge on green building implementation among construction players in Malaysia, to raise awareness of the benefits and barriers of green building implementation, and reflect them in the construction industry for promoting green building implementation. The research design flowchart consists of several stages. First and foremost, the research topic will be decided. The next procedure is to identify the research background. In the research background, the global issue facing by the human society, the impact of buildings on the environment, and the implementation of green building to deal with the problem caused by the construction industry are discussed. Then, the problem statement for the research is identified, followed by the next procedure, which is to establish research question. After that, the research aim and objective will also be established. Next, the research methodology will be identified. The quantitative method is the research methodology proposed in this study. Once the research methodology has been established, the following step is to proceed with the literature review. For these studies, the output of the literature review will include the characteristic of green building as well as the benefit and barriers of green building implementation. For the finding in this research, the characteristic of green building can be divided into 6 categories. Energy efficiency includes use of energy efficient fitting and use of renewable energy, while indoor environmental quality includes promote circulation of air, offer a high level of thermal comfort, increase natural lighting, and maintain internal noise at an appropriate level. Moreover, water efficiency includes encourage rainwater harvesting and use of water efficiency fitting. Reuse building material, use of material with recycled content, and use of sustainable resources are under material and resources. Sustainable site planning and management include maximize open plan design as well as greenery and install vegetated roof. Lastly, innovation category include provide innovation in design and environmental design initiative. The benefits of green building implementation can also be classified into 6 categories. Environmental benefits include protect ecosystem and biodiversity, reduce energy and water consumption, waste reduction, minimize harmful emission, and so on. Benefits such as reduce operating and maintenance costs, increase property values, and improve economic growth are listed as economic benefit. The social benefits include improved overall quality of life and enhanced occupant comfort, health, and well-being. Meeting growing demand as well as improved company image and reputation are the market benefit. From industry benefit, the benefit of allow professionals to become more qualified and educated, help other industry to benefit from new opportunity are mentioned. At last, sustainability benefit is achieve sustainable development. Other than that, the barriers of green building implementation can be categorized into 5 groups. Cost-related barriers include higher cost of green building technology, high cost of green materials and product, and long payback periods. Regarding the attitude and market-related barriers, resistance to change from the use of traditional technology, lack of interest and market demand, as well as lack of availability of demonstrations projects are mentioned. Whereas information and knowledge-related barriers include lack of green building technology information and database, lack of knowledge about green building technology, and lack of awareness about green building technology and their benefit. Barriers such as lack of government incentive for implementing green building technology and fewer green building codes and regulation available are listed as management and government-related barriers. Finally, lack of technology innovation and lack of green building specialty or skill levels are under the technology and human-related barriers. In conclusion, the benefit of green building implementation demonstrate that green buildings outperform conventional non-green building in all aspects of performance. At the same time, it is also critical to identify the barriers to green building implementation so that appropriate strategies can be adopted to help construction firms overcome the barriers and adapt to the new trend, thereby effectively promoting the implementation of green building in the construction industry. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.